Paracord Wallet. If you want to learn how to make this Paracord Wallet, stay tuned cause tutorial is right around the corner. Aloha everyone, welcome to the Alpha One982 YouTube Paracord channel. My name is Dale and today we're gonna make this Paracord Wallet project. So if you're first time here, don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell. For today's project we're gonna need this green Paracord 550. I here have something over the 25 feet or 8 meters in the metric measurements, also with this sky blue Paracord 550, same dimensions, and this cardboard, the precise dimension of this cardboard are also into the description of this video. I have to say this is the first time I'm making this Paracord wallet, so the cord I'm using and the cardboard, the exact length and dimension will be in the description down below of this video, so check it out and let's continue. So the first thing we will do is to cinch these two ends together, join them. Make sure you've done this right so it will stay firm, and this is a key part of our wallet, so if this breaks the wallet will unwrap and we will have the problem. So make these ends well joined so we can continue. Now we're gonna take and we're gonna make a little bit this blue onto the left side, so like this, and we're gonna make it all around our cardboard or our wallet base like this. And now while we're here, we're gonna start making the knots or the weaves as you wish. So here on the end we're gonna take this part and we're gonna simply cross these two. So now when we're done the first round, we're gonna take and make it the blue again on top and to the back, and the green one to the front side, and pull like that. Now continue again, the blue one on top of the green to the back and pull, and the green one on top like this. So you're gonna continue. Let me just zoom a bit, as you can see here. So now here, where we almost on the end, as you can see, when we finish with this end here, we're gonna take it and we're gonna create it the vertical ones with this side and of course with the opposite one, the blue side. So we're gonna, let me just zoom a bit, take this and we're gonna create it. So we're gonna make it on top of this one, under, on top, under this one here, Now do the same to the other side. So the first one will be under, then over, so as you can see, I finished the other side, the green one. Now I'm gonna do the second pass with the green and blue on the other side, but first I'm gonna make the twist between this green and the blue, so the blue can create the other pass here, and the green, or the second pass, and the second pass with the green also. So like this. By twisting those two cords, we create the bottom of our paracord wallet, as you can see, and we leaving the middle side free, so we can put our money or anything we want into this paracord wallet. So now, as you can see, when you reach almost the half end of wallet, you need to pull out the cardboard like I did, and then simply readjust these loops or knots. So here you can see I have the excess of a blue cord, so I need to pull it. I need to rearrange, and afterwards tighten it up like this, as you can see, and then pull this side to tie it more up like so, and then rearrange it again. So one more time, when you pass the half of the wallet, remove the inner base of a wallet, this cardboard. I like to call it cardboard mold, and then tie it all cords and make the firm weaves, as you can see here. Of course, turn it around and do the same thing with the green ones. And we finished our today's project, the Paracord wallet. As you can see, it's very firm and nicely done, with lots of great weaves, firm ones. I hope that you like this. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and the family. Don't forget to subscribe and hit that bell so you will be notified. Here you can see how I made the final stitches with the green cord. Now we need to cut off the excess of a cord, melt it down. As you can see here, I left with about 7.5 feet of cords, so it's equivalent to 2.5 meters. This end I'm gonna insert inside of the wallet, so when we cut it and melt it, it won't be seen. And we finish here. As you can see, those 2 points are melted down, so when you need to unlock or unwrap this Paracord wallet, you will start from the inside. So our two-color Paracord wallet is finished. I hope that you enjoyed. If you do, give a thumbs up, share this video with your friends and the family, and of course don't forget to subscribe, it's free, and hit that bell button so you will be notified every time we post a new video. Until the next time, stay safe, be well, wishing you just best. Dale signing out. Bye. See ya.